Now we're going to talk about how to create and edit records in Web Catalog. We're going to go to the upper right corner and select My Account. Then we're going to come down under AE Services and we're going to select View Catalogs. Then we're going to select Books for Sale. We have several options here, but in the brown buttons, we have Add, Delete, Move, and Back. And we're going to start by adding an item, so we'll click Add for a new item. It opens up a full set of fields that we can fill in. We add the title, author, place printed, year printed, the extent to which we have the information. Then in the additional details, we select the appropriate buttons for being open for the public. In the case of date purchased, purchased from, and price paid, those are almost always clicked no. We then add information, type in the description, add comments, bibliographical references, private notes if we have them. You decide whether or not you want that to be public. We then can add up to 4 images. We assume for this example that we have the images on your computer. We click Browse. It opens up a search of your computer. You identify the record. You click and it will upload. Alternatively, you have the ability to link to images on another site. Sometimes a dealer will have listings on half a dozen sites but maintain his images on a single server. If that's the case, you type in your HTTP and the address of your image. When you in each example 1, 2, 3, 4, you can add images. You then would scroll. When done, you scroll to the bottom of the page. When you hit save, and not until you hit save, have you created a record. Once you've hit save, now we're done. Now we're going to hit the back button and we're going to go to edit. And now we're back to where we started. And what you notice now is there's a keyword box. It's a sequential keyword search. And we're going to look for the record Old Continental. It's an existing record. For the moment, let's just think that we've sold it, and now we want to delete it. So just next to the number 1, we're going to select that, and just above that to the right is a delete button. We'll now click that, and what happens is you're going to be prompted, do you want to delete? Yes, I want to. If I want to delete, I click that, the record disappears. If I wanted to edit the same record, on the right side there's an edit button. We click there, and we're able to go in and alter any details to an existing record. If we had made a mistake with respect to the date printed, we could change it. If we decided that because the market was strong we wanted to raise our price, we could change the selling price. We could alter it in a lot of ways. We could add images or change images or eliminate an image. You would do that by, in the case of the image there, clicking on the red X. The red X would make the image disappear. Whatever the changes we've made, though, we must always remember to go to the bottom of the page and click Update. Only when we update is are the changes confirmed.